Good morning, friends.
Good morning, friends.
Gosh. Good morning. Day 2 at Great Wolf Lodge. Here comes another one. Good.
Good morning.
Ah.
So we are about to get Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts.
And coffee. Donkey Donuts.
Dunkin' Donuts and a coffee. It's gonna be really high out.
Whoa.
Why is everything my fault?
Oh, yeah. So this morning, when it was dark, he was in my spot, and I went to go crawl back into bed, and his knee was there, and I didn't see him because, you know, it was dark. I got a bruise and scraped the skin off of me because he was in my spot.
I was lying over there. I was sleeping. Apparently, while sleeping, I rolled over, which my wife says is something that people don't do.
No, it's something you don't do.
I do.
You've never done this at home.
And then all of a sudden I wake up to being kneed and it's my fault.
He was literally, all I did was walk, 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 walk. I got right here to get into bed. His knee was already over here. He's supposed to be way over there.
This is a
He was
twin-size bed,
in,
not
it's a
way.
queen size bed. He was in my spot in the dark, and somehow it's my fault.
As usual, I wake up to my wife being mad at me and I don't know why. All I know is that
No, because you were
woke
like,
up and she's like, ugh, how she gets into bed apparently.
and on the way to Donkey Donuts, we are going to collect these. Yep. That's one that you needed. What'd you get, Allie Lou?
A cocoa donut with sprinkles.
Oh, good choice. And Jackson?
A chocolate donut with sprinkles.
Those look good. Mama got a vanilla iced latte. Daddy got a,
Vanilla cream or something.
and then I wanted just a bite of this chocolate caramel, so he got that as well. What'd you find?
A fingerling. It says
Very cute.
slimy.
You found a what? A hedgehog. Very cute. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Allie, look at these beautiful wolves with the big old eyes.
Those are so cute.
Yeah, they are cute, aren't they? Oh, that one does look sad. He looks like he needs a home, huh?
Not our home.
Look at it.
They're so cute. So cute. Oh.
I got the one slipped on my backpack and the one that I sleep with.
Yep, you've got 2 of that, don't you? You just don't have that teeny tie. Yeah, that's pretty. So Will found one of those shark tooth necklaces from, like, you know, the 90s. I didn't think they were still cool, but Jackson says they are. What'd we find, guys? Mama doesn't have a home, but we've got Alice Way, Jackson Street, and William Place. I'm used to not getting personalized things because, first of all, the way my name is spelled is Tiffanie. Thanks, Mom. But there's usually like a Tiffany with a Y, and they don't even have that. So apparently my name is just very 1980s.
Here you go.
They didn't have my name. I feel like the big kid is having fun with the wand now. It doesn't mute me. It makes people talk, just like it makes the statues talk. And eyes light up. Cool point. But it's so warm and cozy.
It's such a burn hazard.
hard at work making tacos. This entire room smells like tacos right now. We are back for lunch, and then we're going back to the water park. Hotel room tacos at your service. There it is. Holy moly.
Oh, it's so big, it drips out of the cup.
Yep. Alright, so we made it back to the room. Last year we ate this big old bucket sundae down at the water park, and it's huge. It's a $14 bucket of ice cream, but it was cheaper or more economical to go this route than it was to buy a single scoop for each of us.
Before this thing starts melting, tear in. 4:46. We'll see how long this takes.
It is 5:01. How you feeling?
I'm still going.
That didn't answer how you're feeling.
I'm feeling kind of sick.
Are you gonna kill that bucket, Jack?
Like how much we ate so far.
Yeah.
I'm just getting a bellyache.
Allie, how you doing?
Pretty fine.
Pretty fine.
Remember,
One brain freeze.
can I hold it? We killed the.
Yep, you killed the bucket.
5:05.
20 minutes.
I can't hold the.
Gross.
We will have.
Doing a little bit of coloring while the boys go on their magic quest, huh? Taking a little break. And who are you coloring?
Sammy.
Sammy. We met her last time, didn't we?
Yeah. And who lost the weight.
Are we gonna have pizza for dinner?
Yeah.
But didn't we have pizza yesterday?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have it again? Ooh, we're pretty lucky, aren't we? All right, so we came back. Allie got a banana, and I hear we're ready to fight a dragon.
Yep.
Okay, Jackson heard monkey. He's a monkey. That's his favorite his favorite animal.
We were both thinking about
This is a sad face, and you wanna know why I'm sad? I missed out on happy hour. I drink like a total of 0.7 times per year. And I missed cheap drinks. We're entering the dragon's lair.
That's his health bar and that's yours.
We will pick you up. Oh, right there.
Now we gotta freeze him first. There we go.
As a reward, you receive 2,500.
We're very happy about beating the dragon.
Story time. Story time.
Are you gonna dance? Dinner is served and half eaten already. So we were walking upstairs with dinner, and Alice looked down and saw that Sammy the squirrel was doing a meet and greet after story time. And we knew that they were basically wrapping it up and like the line was gone. She really wanted to go down and tell Sammy goodnight. So Daddy scooped her up and zoomed her downstairs real quick so that she could go say goodnight to Sammy the squirrel, and she was very happy.
Very.
Yeah.
She was skipping away, literally.
I did it to her and take a picture.
You got to hug her and take a picture. I'll try to insert the picture here because we didn't get any footage of it. And now you get to eat pizza. It's like the best day ever. You want to show them under your chin? So that she did at Jackson's Carnival on the bounce houses. And then she did that also on the bounce houses. Still working on this. My face is on fire. I put crushed red peppers on my pizza and then hot sauce on the wings. And my nose is running. I mean, it's good. It's not like unbearable. But like when you keep eating it, because all they did was give us like a container of hot sauce. I think I just got hot sauce in a cup. It's dangerous up in here. Want to tell them what happened when you were at the wave pool earlier?
My sim bottoms fell down.
You got hit with a wave and it knocked your bottoms right off, didn't it? Oh my goodness.
And we had to put them back up.
Yeah, Mama helped you real fast, huh? So
And it happened like 3 times.
Alright, I think we're gonna call this a night. We're gonna wrap this up. We had such a fun day, didn't we? It was a good one.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right down there. Bye.